This is my husband Luke. We made a bad decision. We sold our house, bought a boat, quit our jobs, and now we're sailing around the world. Welcome to Bad Decisions Yacht Club, where you're just one bad decision away from greatness. Come and join us. Finally, we're leaving after being here for just over a week because of horrible weather. Last week you left us hiding out in Island Head Creek, waiting for the weather to ease, and also waiting to see what a tropical low forming up north was going to do. After weeks of rough anchorages and bad weather, we were beyond excited to finally continue heading north towards Hunter Island. We were sailing along nicely when the wind changed and we needed to jibe the genoa, which is too big to come across on its own. So putting safety first, Luke tethered himself to the boat and headed to the bow to help guide it across.
Hey, I'm taking it off! Loosen!
Luke accidentally tethered himself over the headsail sheet, and suddenly things got really scary. It was one of those moments that makes you realise just how quickly things can go wrong out here, and something I never want to experience again. Going forward, we've agreed that whenever we need to tack the genoa, we'll completely furl it away first and then unfurl it on the other side. After everyone had calmed down, it was time to give Hunter Island a phone call.
What did he say?
There's shit everywhere. He goes, it's an old sheep station, so he said it's fucking, there's just shit everywhere, so I can't go around.
But no one's going to be hunting and shooting us in the ass?
I don't think so.
Okay. Well, let's fucking hope so.
But don't put on your reindeer antlers.
Yeah. Bugger, I was planning on wearing them tonight.
Hunter Island is privately owned and home to wild deer, offering hunting experiences for people who are interested. So before stepping foot on the island, you need permission from the owners. With water supplies at an all-time low, it was time to fire up the water maker.
Is everything okay with it? No? Oh, great.
Can't keep the pressure on it.
It's not filling up. Did it work at all? Like, did it work for a little bit?
It goes up and then it goes down. It goes up and then it goes down.
Yeah.
So if we're getting water, then we're not getting water. If we're getting water, then we're not getting water.
Oh, is it because we're too rocky and rolly?
I think I'm just wasting time until I'm here, so I think so. I'm just getting the water ready. Keeping the pressure on.
Another problem.
So we added the water maker to the ever-growing Fix It Later list, and Luke kept morale high by entertaining us with his dance moves.
I see something. Or seaweed, could be seaweed. Oh, boo, what a letdown.
thoughts on the new Anchorage?
I don't want to jinx it, so I'm not going to say anything.
Okay. I get it.
It seems nice and flat, like, so it might actually, we might, touch wood, have a decent sleep.
So then it was time to get the tender down, head over to the beach and hope we don't get shot in the arse. They probably hate people because they get hunted. Oh my god! First time on land in about 4 days. Then we spotted a whole bunch of deer tracks in the sand. Oh, baby ones! Yeah, I reckon. Deer bone. That was bigger than the last one you found. Come on, do your thing.
There's too much sand in it, it's not going to work. No, see, too much sand. See how keep on how it works.
Now if all those fucking deer start running over here, I'm going to be really annoyed at you.
I'm going to throw this at leave you to it.
It's cold. It was cold on my feet. Can you hear the ocean? Hold on.
I think it's black.
Just, no! Don't! Whatever you're going to do, I don't like the idea of it. Then it was back to the boat to enjoy the sunset and finally a calm anchorage. Oh my god, what did you get?
I'm pretty sure it's a coral trout.
Hey! That looks pretty big.
Can you take a photo of me with it?
Yeah. So what happened? Tell me what you did.
I just went spearing. I found that there's rocks over there. There's heaps of fish over there. There's fucking heaps.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Did you get anything else or just that?
I hit one and he fucking pissed off on me.
Yeah.
No, I got this one.
Hey!
Sure, I've got to do a little identification to make sure it is, but I'm positive it's a coral trout.
Yeah, I don't know much about fish, but even I think you're right. Okay, let me take a photo of you. Now, do you know the right poses to do?
You've been Rennie showed me.
Okay. Hold on. On the other side. There's a bunch on the other side now. Just hold on, there's a wave. Oh, no, now they're mugging you off. Luke kept raving about how good the spearfishing was. So naturally, we went back the next day to try again. But this time, the conditions were completely different. It was blowing over 20 knots and the swell was just a little bit too big. We spent ages trying to find a calm spot, but eventually gave up and headed back to the boat. Doesn't look like many fish here. And yeah, it was a long, rough ride back in the tender. My hat blew off and the chin strap managed to get twisted up in my hair about 1,000 times, resulting in this.
So nice to finally see your face. I've really only seen the back of your head before. You have a beard? Have you
Bruce.
What?
For the past 2 weeks, we had been hiding out in Island Head Creek and delaying our trek north due to Tropical Cyclone Mela. And as Luke had previously predicted, it had now changed direction and was no longer a threat to the Queensland coast.
What did I say would happen? I should do my own weather map.
You should be a weather guy.
It just fucks off. It just fucks right off. There is no fucking cyclone coming, guys. Done.
So after weeks of stressing about it, what should we do? Let's hold off. Let's wait here. Let's wait here and roll the old Island Head Creek for a week while we decide if we can see what the fucking cyclone's doing.
Access is saying it's still got a cyclone over here. But
Thoughts? Do you think I should just cut this out because I think I'm just going to have to cut it out. I don't think I really have a choice.
One thing they don't warn you about in boat life is the constant dreadlocks.
That was never coming out.
So after a pretty intense afternoon, we decided to take it easy for the rest of the day and just enjoy the views.
fold it, need it, fold it, need it. So,
What are you making us tonight?
these are homemade tortillas. We're going to make fish tacos with the coral trout that I caught yesterday.
Yeah, boy!
Like that.
Roll them into a little circle. And then what do you do?
Leave these to rest.
For how long?
I think like the longer you leave them to rest, the better they'll roll out. And
Yeah,
the flatter
okay.
you can get them. So yeah, you just gotta let them rest so that they're easy to roll out later.
Okie dokie. Rolling out the dough. Cooking them up.
Gotta start getting creative when you're on a boat with no food.
Exactly. Oh, I gotta keep an eye on the bread.
Burn it.
No. Now you're cooking our fish. We were going to crumb it, but we don't have any crumbs or eggs. No, we've got crumbs, we've got no eggs.
Our homemade fish tacos turned out amazing, and the coral trout Luke caught was absolutely delicious.
Join us next week as we sail to my favourite spot so far, Middle Percy Island. We'll leave our mark in the famous Percy A-frame, head bushwalking with the legendary Percy goats, and I managed to spear another beautiful coral trout.